Hello, welcome. Let us solve this question to find the right side view of a given binary tree. The right side view of a given binary tree can be identified as the rightmost element in every given level of a binary tree. Let us see this example tree. In this example tree, there are three levels. The level 1 consists of element 1, level 2 consists of element 2, 3, and finally level 3 consists of element 5 and 4. So in level 1, what is the rightmost element? You can see from the right side. See, this arrow mark indicate that rightmost element. So 1 will be the rightmost element. In the level 2, 3 will be the rightmost element. In level 3, 4 will be the rightmost element. Suppose if this 4 is null, then what will be the rightmost element? This 5 will be the rightmost element. As by the inference of the given example, we can say that in every level, the rightmost element will be the right side view of the particular level, and the cumulative of that all rightmost elements are of all given levels will be our answer of the right side view of a given binary tree. Like suppose as given here, 1, 3 and 4 will be the right side view of this given binary tree. So in terms of a tree, the rightmost element in every level give us the right side view of a given binary tree. For that, we have to know the level order traversal of a binary tree. For that, I will give the link in the description to know that. And here also I will again implement the level order traversal of a binary tree, and I will take every rightmost element in the given level and I will make it into an array and return it as a solution. So let us coding for this. So first I will write the base case. Fruit is equal to null means we'll just simply return the empty array as there are no elements and no right side elements of a binary tree. Then I will initialize an answer vector to return the final answer. Then I have to take a queue for the level order traversal of the given binary tree. So I will just push the root into it first. Then I will take an loop for q.empty is equal to false to traverse every level of a given binary tree. Then in every level I have to traverse every element. For that I will take the size of the level. So let it be q.size of. So as I want to traverse, let it be while a minus minus. If there are 5 elements in the given level, I will traverse it 5 times like that. So when I am traversing that, I will check. Initially I have to pop the given element, let it be t. So I will take as friend. Then I have to pop it. So if the given node has the left children, so I have again push it into the queue. Same for the right also. So here t left and here t right. So as I have to take the rightmost element of every level, I will take a vector temp to store the elements of the all elements of the given level, and I have to push every element into it. So temp dot push back of t, let it be value. So finally I have to push the rightmost element. The rightmost element will be present in the temp array at a minus 1. So finally I will return the answer array. Let us compile this first. Okay, somehow I missed it there. Okay, sorry. Here a will be moved to 0 as I am decrementing it in every loop condition. So I should not take A. So I have to take temp dot size of -1. So let us run this now. Okay, let us submit this and see. Okay, let me explain it in a very clear way again. So first initially I have 1 in my queue. So then what I will do is I will pop this 1 and I will enter the left and right children of the 1. So this 1 will be the level 1. So this will be level 1. So when I am popping out that 1 and pushing the left and right children of the 1 into the tree, into the queue, that will give us rise to the level 2. So again I will pop this. I have 2 and 3. I will pop this 2 and I will push the left and right of the 2. So as there is no left, I will push the right, then this will be the result. And I will pop 3, then I will push the left and right of the 3. As there is no left, the result will be 4. So this will be level 3. As I am getting the level 1, level 2, level 3, I am taking the rightmost element in the level 1, 1, rightmost element in the level 2, 3, rightmost element in the level 3, 4. And this will be our right side view of the given binary tree. Thank you.